Hello, everybody. Welcome in. My name is Hani Skiles. My channel is called The Beach Life. And I wanted to tell you about this new series I have coming out where I'm focusing on first-time cruisers. And we've all been there, right? We've all been there. And specifically, those of you that follow my channel know I'm being mainly cruise on Carnival. And so even if you're new to Carnival, a seasoned cruiser or new to Carnival, you might find some of this information helpful. So if you're a first-time cruiser or new cruiser to Carnival, feel free to subscribe, hit that notification bell because the next round of videos I'll be making are going to be focused again on that first time cruisers. So just to kind of tell you a little bit about why I started doing this, I'm involved in a lot of Facebook groups, and what I've noticed is that people are starting to get really snarky, I guess, for a lack of a better word, with their comments. Hey, you could just search for that. It's already been, or go to the Carnival website. And listen, I agree. The one thing on all that I agree with, the Carnival website should be the end all, right? That's where you should be going to information. But sometimes people like to kind of get real world feedback, right, from people and stuff. And that's what you should use YouTube for. You should use it for that person's, and remember, these are our opinions and thoughts. Some things are facts, but for the most part, when you hear stuff on YouTube, that's what you're getting, right? Opinions and ideas and whatever. So with that said, I just started seeing people being very rude and disrespectful to first-time cruisers, new cruisers, and so one of the first things I did was actually created a new Facebook group called Carnival Cruise First-Timers. I'll drop the link down in the description. So Carnival Cruise First-Timers, where I have a large group of seasoned cruisers, and of course a large group of, there's about 550 people in there, and it's a real great mix. And the one rule that we will enforce all the time is that the seasoned cruisers that are providing advice need to be nice and provide, not hey, go do search and this and that. Listen, if people were going to do that, they were going to do that. Let's let's move on from that, right? Anyway, with that said, so that led me to go, hey, you know what? It'd be really nice to do a video series. And then somebody actually in one of the Facebook groups that I'm in when I had posted some other poll or something like that, and they suggested, hey, it would be really nice if somebody did a first timers like video series. And I said, hey, funny you should mention that. That was something that I was looking at doing. And they offered me a lot of great advice and ideas and thoughts. And I've been jotting down a bunch of notes. And so some of those things I've already been doing. If you already followed my channel or you want to go check out my channel, you'll see a lot of my videos are mostly informative. They're informative videos where I'm providing a bunch of information. What I want to do is try to genericize. Is that the proper word? Genericize it. Because again, I'm going to be filming these on the Radiance. That's the ship that I've been cruising on mostly. And I'm going to try to keep things, even though the places I'm going to go to are on the Radiance and stuff, but I'm going to try to, like, I'll give you an example, like the kiosks, right? The kiosk locations are going to be specific to the Radiance, but I'm going to focus on what is available in those kiosks, the account summary, bill changer, things like that. What are options available? Because those are going to be pretty much fleet wide. Same thing with the embarkation process. There might be little tweaks here and there at each terminal, but here's the type of things that they're going to be looking for. Those type of things, the bars, the food, the included food, the specialty dining and all that. Again, some of the things are available on the radio, some of them are not. So, but you'll follow along and you'll see, like, I want everybody to get a general idea of what it is that's available. And then you can research your specific ship. There's many great videos, YouTube videos out there. Then you can go and look for your specific ship and go, oh yeah, I remember Hani saying this, right? So let me go see if Carnival Vista has this or Carnival Sunrise has that. So what I want to do is kind of give you a launching pad, right? And like, okay, here's some things that he mentioned. Let me go and now do some further research. So there's a lot of great YouTubers out there and providing great information. The one thing I'll tell you, whether it's my video or any of their videos, is just take it for what it's worth, right? Do as much research as you can. Go to the Carnival website. Because at the end of the day, if something happens, you can go back. What's tangible is the Carnival website. You can go back and say, hey, I saw this, whether it's at the terminal or at guest services. You can say, hey, you can't say, hey, Hani said, or so-and-so said, blah, blah, blah. They could care less, right? But if you show them their Carnival website, their rules, their, that kind of thing, that's what's going to be important. So that's just one thing that I wanted to share with you. So again, I'll share the description for those that want to join the Facebook group. I'll share the description down below, or share the link down below, sorry, in the description field. And and do the series. So again, if you'd like to subscribe, if you'd like to hit that notification bell, please feel free to. If you don't want to, but if you have some ideas, thoughts, questions, drop them down in the comments below. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use those comments to come back and say, hey, I made this video. Here it is. Here's the link. Go check it out, and that type of thing. So for those of you that don't want every notification of every video, if you're looking for a specific thing, I don't mind. I'm not going to force you to subscribe and hit the notification bell just to get information. I'm here to provide that information to you. So go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and I'll get back to you and say, hey, I'm ready. That video has been posted, and you can go check it out. So one last thing, again, if you are a cruise nut like me, just love interacting with the cruise community, and you're a seasoned cruiser and you just happen to be watching this, or you have a first-time cruiser, I have also a Facebook page for my channel called The Beach Life on YouTube. So if you search for Beach Life on YouTube in the Facebook groups, you'll find it. Come join us over there. We talk cruising, we talk vacation, we talk travel, everything. And it's, again, a nice, fun group where we keep things fun and productive, and just we don't deal with the snarkiness and all that stuff. So anyway, guys, thank you. I've rambled on for 6 minutes now. Thanks for watching this. Have a great day, and we'll talk to y'all soon.